yesterday. Hello. Yes, all of you. So we learned loop statements. Yeah. So what are the different loops in Java? While, condition. This is while loop, and what is another one? Do while, right? Do while, condition. So what is the difference between these two? Yeah, come on, can anyone tell what is the difference between these two?
First, we will give condition in while. In do while, we will execute and give condition.
In do while, at least one time.
Yeah. So here first execute, then check condition, right? Here, first execute, then check condition, right? So this loop will run. This loop will run at least one time, right? One time, even the condition is failed. Yeah, this will run at least one time, right? Even if the condition is failed. Yeah, we have seen an example yesterday. Yeah. Okay, next one, what is another one? For loop. For, we write initialize, then we write condition, then either increment or decrement. This is how we write a for loop statement. Yeah, but for loop also, but suppose initialize is done in the beginning only, but suppose initialize is done already here. Then will you again initialize here? Because already initialization is done. Are we going to initialize again?
No.
No. And then you put empty semicolon. Then you can write condition. Then semicolon. Then here it has to be increment or decrement, right? Well, increment or decrement here you do increment or decrement. If you do here, that is also okay. You can have a for loop statement like this. Say why there is empty semicolon. The first one is initialize, but initialize it will change. You can do like this. There is no wrong in this. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, either you do like this or like this also, both will do same. We did initialize, condition, increment, decrement in the same line. But here already initialize is done. Already initialize is done. So that's why one empty semicolon is there. Then there is a condition. Then increment or decrement we are doing inside the loop. So we are not doing here. Okay. That's why if you see this example, here what are we doing? Already p equal to 0, we initialize it here only, right? Directly. That's why you are not doing here. But if you want what you can do? If you want what you can do? Can you declare here, right? Into p equal to 0?
0. Yes.
Can you say into p equal to 0 here? Change, there is no wrong in that. No, this is the condition. But what is the logic in this program we have to do? Program what we have to do? First you are searching for web. Yeah, if you remember this example, we are searching for web is there for how many times? Web is there how many times?
2 times.
Yeah. Bro, initially you start from 0 position. That means that's why P position is 0. Then next time, if web is found at which position here? 8th position, right? First time web is found at what position? 8.
8.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8
position.
Next time you have to start searching for web from where?
9th position.
9th position. And found position. This str.index of web, p. Found position plus 1, right?
Yes.
So you have to start searching from here, from 9th position.
Mm.
If again web is found at 20th position, anukunnam example I'm saying 20th position. Then again where it has to start. So from 21st, right? Yeah, from here it has to start searching. Emma, from here, VB driver here. In this web is found. Yeah, come on, ma. Please be interactive. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఇందులో web is there?
No.
No, sir.
Not there. Not there means index of what it will return?
-1.
-1. ఇప్పుడు నేనేమన్నా loop when it should execute? If it is not equal to -1, continue the loop, right?
Yes.
If it is -1, what it will do?
It will stop.
Stop the loop. Yes or not? It will stop the loop, right? Yeah, if it is -1, the loop will stop. If it is not equal to -1, continue the loop. Yes or not? So like this, we have written the logic. So now, how many times web is there? We counted here. Okay, right? Yeah. This one. And another examples, what we did here yesterday. So we learned loop statements. Another, I think some small examples we did yesterday. Yeah, in this. So what is this? You are confused yesterday. I think now you understood, or still any confusion in this?
Sir,
Hello.
can you explain this once, this program?
Okay, so what is this program? What is the question here? We want to count how many times each character is repeated, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and if P is repeated for how many times? R is repeated for how many times? O is repeated for how many times? This is the logic, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for that, what did we do? What is the logic we have written? Let me remove this.
Yes, sir.
If I write like this, what is this logic is doing? Yeah, starting from 0, right? I starts from 0. From where it will start from?
It's 0, position 0.
Yeah, I equal to 0, right? Yeah, we start from 0. Okay, if I take the caret of I, str.caret of I, what is I value now? First time?
0.
First time 0. That means we are taking P, right?
P.
I have to compare P with what?
R.
R. Okay, next time P with
0.
O.
O. Next time P
sorry.
with G. Next time P with R.
R.
అంటే ఇంకా ఎక్కడన్నా P ఉంటే then I have to increment count, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that means I need to start comparing from that's what I have taken J equal to I plus 1.
I plus 1.
Yeah, ఇప్పుడు P ఎక్కడి నుంచి కంపేర్ అవుతా? J అంటే ఎక్కడ this loop only J is incrementing, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only J will increment, right?
Increment.
Starting from I plus 1 నుంచి length of string వరకు, right? Yeah, so str.caret of I అంటే still I is at 0 only. P you are comparing with R. Match అయ్యిందమ్మా? ఎక్కడన్నా P is matched with R?
No.
Like that P with O? No. P
No.
with G? No.
No.
Yeah, nowhere it is matched. So initially what is count?
1.
1. అంటే ఇప్పుడు str.caret of I, what is that P? P repeated for how many times? 1 time, right?
One time.
Like that. Next time, if once this execution is over, you'll come back to the main for loop,
Main.
right?
Yes.
But I will become how much? Plus, right? And
I equals to
caret of I, what is that R?
R.
But J starts from where? 1 plus 1, 2, right? And J starts from O, right?
Oh.
R is compared with O, R is compared with G, R is compared with R. Yes, R is again matching, right?
Yes.
Yeah, already count was 1. Now count will become how much? Count
Length of-
initially ఎంత ఉందమ్మా? 1. Now R is matching with R. So count how much it will become?
2.
2.
2.
Yeah, next, anywhere R is matched?
No.
No. So if now
No.
here caret of I, R is repeated for how many times?
2 times.
2 times. Like that, it will take O. So same logic. O is compared with
G.
G because J starts from again I plus 1.
I plus 1.
O is compared anywhere. Anywhere matches?
No match.
No. Count and then my initial 1 kada.
1.
So O repeated for 1 time. Like that G also it is comparing. Okay, but what it is doing, again R it is taking, right? So that's why what I have to do now? Because R was already counted, so you no need to count, right? Malli then count cheyakodadu kadamma.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that's why what I was doing. Then again, yes, you know, what is the logic I am doing? I am taking one empty string, right? S2. But S2 lo ee character unda leda check chestunnanu. I am checking whether that string is there in that character is there in the S2 or not. How do you check whether a character is there in one string or not? S2 dot contains a
Contains.
Yeah, it will check, right? What I want to check? I want to check str
dot caret
of I. Yeah, if it contains, if it is equal to false, if it is not there, then I have to perform this logic. And one extra if condition I am writing. Yeah, if it is not there means what I am doing? I am comparing. But before that, what I am doing? How do you join this one character into S2? S2 equal to S2 plus str dot caret of I, right? But in this loop, first time what it is checking? P, right? First time. Yeah, Mali explain yesterday. I am again explaining. First time, what is the character we are comparing?
P.
Yeah, P, right? Is P is there in S2?
No, sir.
No.
Because initially S2 empty, right?
Empty string.
Ante లేదు కదా.
Yes.
Yeah, now what I am doing? S2 equal to S2 plus. అంటే ఇప్పుడు S2 లో what I am storing here in S2? S2 లో ఏం స్టోర్ చేస్తున్నామ్మా?
S1.
S1 అసలు S1 ఏ లేదు కదమ్మా. ఎక్కడ ఉంది S1?
P sir, P.
str character.
ఏమ్మా S2 equal to S2 plus str dot caret of I. Caret of I ఏమో first time what it is?
P.
P. Yeah, now we are storing P into S2, right?
Yes, sir.
ఏమా ఎవరో క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు కదా. Somebody asked me, please respond. You are understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ఇప్పుడు S2 లో what we are storing?
str character.
ఏమా S2 equal to S2 plus what is initially S2?
P.
Initially S2 లో ఏముందమ్మా?
Initially empty string.
empty plus P. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏముండాలి S2 లో? P ఉంటుంది. Now P is there. Now ఈ లాజిక్ తెలుసు కదా మీకు. You know, I already explained this logic, right? ఏమా ఈ లాజిక్ మా count equal to 1 starting from j equal to I plus 1 2 we are comparing. This logic is understood.
Yes.
Yeah, if now in this P is repeated for how many times?
One time.
One time.
One time. Next time what is the character we are taking?
R.
R. Yeah, mali check చేస్తున్నా. Is R is there in the S2?
No.
No అంటే ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ? S2 equal to S2 plus
Character.
of I అంటే what is the character?
R.
అంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఇప్పుడు S2 ఏముంది? P plus R is
P plus R. PR.
మళ్ళీ ఈ లాజిక్ will continue, right? It will count
Yes,
how many
sir.
times R is there?
2 times.
2 times.
అదే it will count. Next time which character? O.
O.
Is O is there in the S2? No. మరి ఇది again O is
Yes.
also added into S2, right?
Yes.
We are counting how many times O is there?
1.
One time.
Next time what is that? G.
G.
G is there in the S2?
No.
No. And now again this G is counted, right? How many times?
One time. 2 times.
Three. Yeah, next time what is that? Again.
R.
Is R is there in the S2?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, only.
sir.
What did I say? If it is not there, do this. If it is there, don't do it, right?
Hmm.
Adi dani gurinchi we have written this if condition, this logic. Okay, na? So if you don't write this if condition, what happened? అది రాయకపోతే ఏమైందమ్మా?
Here, three.
Mali.
Again, R will count.
Again R is counting, right? How
Count.
many times is there?
Counting 2 times.
So
Count
your P is 1 time, R is 2 times, O is 1 time, G is 2 times. Again R is 1 time, right?
Hmm.
అది చేయకూడదు కదా?
Hmm.
That's why we have written this if condition, right? Yeah. But kaapothe one point here contains what is the input argument it will take?
Character sequence.
Character.
Character sequence ante what we have to give? String.
String.
Kani what is that I am giving? Std at character 5 what I am giving?
Integer.
Integer.
Okay.
Str dot character 5 ఏమొస్తుందమ్మా?
Character.
One single character, right?
Yes,
String,
sir.
sir. String.
String str dot character 5. Str dot character 5 will give how many characters?
One character.
One character. String ekkudundi, integer ekkudundi. Where is integer? Where is string? What you are explaining? ఇప్పుడు str dot character 5 will give one character, right?
Yes, sir.
కానీ ఇక్కడ నేను ఏం పాస్ చేయాలి యాక్చువల్ గా?
String.
అందుకని ఏం చేసాం? What did I do? What did I say? You need to convert
Contains
the string,
means
right?
character one time.
One time కాదమ్మా. str dot character 5 ఇది ఏం రిటర్న్ చేస్తుంది? str character 5 will give me
Return చేస్తుంది.
ఏం రిటర్న్ చేస్తుంది? It will give me one single character, right?
Character.
ఏమ్మా ఇప్పుడు ఒక క్యారెక్టరే కదా వస్తుంది? P గాని R గాని O గాని ఒక సింగిల్ క్యారెక్టర్, రైట్?
Yes, sir.
ఒక సింగిల్ క్యారెక్టర్ డేటా టైప్ ఏమ్మా?
Character.
సో ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇస్తున్నాం? str character 5 you are giving one single character, right?
Yes, sir.
కానీ ఇది ఏం ఇక్కడ మనం ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి?
String.
స్ట్రింగ్ ఇవ్వాలి. అందుకని ఏం చేశాను? వాట్ డిడ్ ఐ డూ?
Convert.
I converted this into a string and I am passing, right? How do you convert into a string?
Yes, sir.
చేసాం కదమ్మా. How do you convert one value into a
What
string?
value?
String dot value of, right?
Yes, sir.
String dot value of this str dot character 5. str dot character 5 is one single character, but it will convert into a
String.
string, and then we are passing to the contains method, right? I explained many times, but still why you are confused, I am not understanding. Ka confusion amma?
No, sir.
Okay, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చాలా క్లియర్ గా ఉంది కదా. క్యారెట్ ఏం రిటర్న్ చేస్తుంది? ఫస్ట్ వర్డ్ ఇస్ ద రిటర్న్ టైప్, రైట్?
Yes, sir.
సో ఇది ఏం రిటర్న్ చేస్తుందమ్మా? str dot character 5 అది ఏం రిటర్న్ చేస్తుంది?
Single characters. Sir.
సింగిల్ క్యారెక్టర్. సింగిల్ క్యారెక్టర్ డేటా టైప్ ఏంటి?
Character.
డేటా టైప్. కానీ కంటైన్స్ మనం ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి?
String.
స్ట్రింగ్ ఇవ్వాలి. అందుకని నేనేం చేయాలి? దీన్ని స్ట్రింగ్ లే కన్వర్ట్ చేసి ఇవ్వాలి కదా. అదే చేస్తున్నాం. స్ట్రింగ్ డాట్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ అనే మెథడ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది అని చెప్పాము ఇక్కడ?
Convert the character into string.
వాట్ ఎవర్ గివెన్ వాల్యూ ఇంటూ a string, right? String dot value of what is this method will do?
Convert
the given value
Given character.
given value to string. Will convert a given value to string. మన కన్వర్షన్స్ చేసుకోవచ్చు మా ఒక డేటా టైప్ నుంచి ఇంకో డేటా టైప్ కు కన్వర్షన్స్ వీ కెన్ డూ.
So,
We can convert from one data type to yeah. ఇప్పుడు for example string s1 equal to yeah. If I say s1 plus s2, what is the output you will get?
1050.
10 plus 50.
1050.
1050.
No, if you put anything in double quotes, if you put
10.
in double quotes,
1050.
anything will be
10
called as
plus
a string, right?
String.
10 plus 50 is 1050.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remember, మనం data types when we discuss, I told you phone number will take it as a string or integer amma.
Integer.
Integer.
Yes.
String.
Phone number we will take it as a string. Phone number ఎలా రీడ్ చేస్తారు?
Yeah, yes, sir.
98 ఎలా రీడ్
Digit
చేస్తారు? 98 crore 76 lakhs అట్లా చెప్తారా ఫోన్ నెంబర్?
No. 9 like that.
That means even though it is a number, even though it is a number, it is treated as a string, right? ఒక్కొక్క క్యారెక్టర్ లాగా చదువుతాం కదా దాన్ని. సో ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఎలా చదువుతారమ్మా? హౌ డు యు
10.
దీని 10 అని చదవాలి, దీని 10 అని చదవకూడదు. దీన్ని ఎలా చదవాలి? హౌ డు యు రీడ్ దిస్?
10.
దాన్ని యూ హ్యావ్ టు రీడ్ యాజ్ 10. అది ఎలా ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఇఫ్ ఐ రైట్ ఇంటూ x ఈక్వల్ టు 10 అంటే ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఎలా చదువుతారు?
10.
దీన్ని యూ హ్యావ్ టు రీడ్ ఇట్ as 10. దిస్ యూ షుడ్ రీడ్ as 10. దిస్ యూ షుడ్ రీడ్ as 50 because this is a string. Okay, so even though if it is a number, you should read it as a string. So now what is the output you will get?
10.
Yeah, 1050,
10.
right? Yes or not?
Yes.
Yeah, but no. I want to convert this into number and I have to add it. And now I have to convert into an integer and add it. So how to convert a string into integer? So then we have a method. What you call? Right, I can do what you call integer dot parseInt. What I can write? Integer dot
Value of
parseInt. Integer dot parseInt will convert a value into an integer data type. ఇంతకుముందు string dot value of what it will do? It will convert a value into a string data type.
okay.
ఇది ఏం చేస్తుంది మా? string dot value of will convert
String data type.
to string.
Yeah.
Convert
To string.
to string. String లేకి కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. అదే ఇంటిజర్ డాట్ పార్సెంట్ ఏం చేస్తుంది?
Convert to int.
ParseInt will convert to an integer.
Integer.
Convert to integer లేకి కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. సో మీరు అట్లా ఒక వాల్యూని ఇంకొక డేటా టైప్ లేకి యూ కెన్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇట్. Yeah, so now if I convert integer dot parseInt of s1, if I do, what it is doing? It is converting that string into
integer.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏమైతుంది? అది 10 నా 10 అయి ఉంటుందా?
10.
1050 అయితే.
10.
But I am converting s1 into an integer, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
10.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏమైతుంది?
10.
10.
10. Then plus again can I convert that s2 also? Integer dot parseInt of
50.
s2 also.
50.
ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంటుంది? I am converting into
Integer.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏమై ఉండాలి?
10 plus 50.
10 plus 50, how much you will get?
60.
60, right? Because we are converting into integer and then doing the addition. Now you got 60, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రింగ్ ని ఇంటిజర్ లే కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే టు కన్వర్ట్ ఏ స్ట్రింగ్ ఇన్ ఇంటిజర్ వాట్ యు రైట్?
Integer dot.
To convert string to int, what do you write? Integer dot
parseInt.
parseInt of that string you are saying, right?
Yes.
Yes. String
Again
one.
to convert int or
Integer to
char or
string.
boolean or whatever it is to string.
String.
String కన్వర్ట్
String.
చేయాలనుకున్నప్పుడు ఏం చెప్తారు?
Value of
str dot
a string value.
str కాదమ్మా. What did I wrote?
String value.
సార్లు రాశాను కదమ్మా. str కాదు కదమ్మా. What did I write?
string dot value.
String dot value of. So what is that?
String dot
Value of. You tell whatever the value, right? Yeah, it will convert into a string.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, Nama, how you are converting from one data type to another data type?
Yes, sir.
Convert to characters. How to convert character?
Character
Suppose-
convert char of.
Char dot
Char ante ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లా
Char.
రాస్తాం. Char of a value రాస్తాం. That will convert into a char data type. So what is this will do?
Convert.
To convert to a char data type, right?
Here of value.
ఇక్కడ క్యారెక్టర్ డాట్ అనే ఏముండదు సార్ జస్ట్
అట్లా
క్యార్
కాదమ్మా, ఇది నార్మల్
char.
బేసిక్ డేటా టైప్ కదా char అనేది.
ఎస్ సార్
సో char of val ఎలా రాస్తాం? Okay, so like that, ఇప్పుడు what I am doing, ఇప్పుడు str at caret of I is giving me ఇది ఏమి ఇస్తుందమ్మా? str at caret of I
సింగిల్ క్యారెక్టర్ సార్
single character. That single character we are converting into
స్ట్రింగ్
string data type because contains ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి నేను?
String.
String.
String ఇవ్వాలి. యా, నేను కంటైన్స్ కు స్ట్రింగ్ ఇవ్వాలి. అందుకని ఏం చేస్తున్నాను, దీన్ని స్ట్రింగ్ లే కన్వర్ట్ చేసి ఇస్తున్నాను. Still all of you understood or still confusion ma?
ఎస్ సార్ అండర్స్టాండ్
Understood, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So like this we have written the loop statement. Yeah. Yeah, and next ma. So I think I gave some examples yesterday. Any update on them?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what are the examples I gave yesterday?
Star pattern table.
To display a multiplication table.
Multiplication.
Example. Did anybody do ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what is the, how did you do that? Yeah, Chapan, give me the answer. What did you do?
Int
I and M or
Int?
T.
I,
Hmm.
comma j,
Int I,
comma j, comma row, rows,
J, comma,
rows.
rows. Okay.
First I will like for loop for I. Outer
I.
loop. For loop, sir, for that. For loop.
For
I is equals to some 0 and
Zero.
0, sir.
okay.
I less than or equals to rows.
Rows.
I plus increment. Marli inner loop for j. This is for not multiplication, sir. This is for pattern, sir. Sorry, multiplication is only 2, not required rows.
Yeah, Chapan, multiplication table program, you tell me.
Sir, some n is equals to some initializing 10. I is equals to 1. For that I am writing while loop, sir. I less than or equals to 10. For printing system dot out dot println n plus
For joining, we use plus.
joining we use plus and multiplication symbols are in double quotes.
Star plus.
Plus mali joining I is equals to in double quotes. Mali here joining purpose n into I multiplication.
Yeah,
Now I am incrementing I plus plus.
that's all. So you take n value 10 confuse 10 no 10 and confuse outsaremo gani you take
Some 11, 12 anything.
There's a logic, right? You are displaying a multiplication table.
Yes.
So same thing, if you want to write a for loop, instead of writing 2 lines, we can write everything in one single line, right? Direct for loop, how you write? For initialize, for
N is
equal to 1, less than or
n
equal
equals to
I
10,
plus
I
plus.
plus.
Here also you can remove it. That's all, right?
Yes.
Just 2 lines of code. Ante kada. So if for displaying n value is 12. 12 plus star you want to display plus I value
I
plus
value
equal to symbol, then calculated value n into I.
n into I.
Yeah, that's all. So this will display the multiplication table. Okay. Yeah, and the next one, what is that pattern you want to display? Yeah, the triangle pattern. How do you write the triangle?
int I.
Okay, int I, comma.
J.
అది కూడా అవసరం లేదు. Yeah, direct for loop చెప్పండి.
This for int I is equal to 1.
Int I equal to 1. I less than or equal to
5. I plus plus.
I plus plus.
And again for loop,
Yeah, again there is a for loop. Yeah.
For loop.
J is equal to 1.
J less than or equal to
I.
I.
J plus plus.
J plus plus.
Around for loops you are writing. So system dot out dot println you are printing what you call J, right? Plus you can give some space also. So println will print always in a new line.
Yes.
Write a print, and here we write one empty line, println. So this will print a triangle pattern of numbers.
Star. Yes.
Right? 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. That's all. Chinna 2 for loops you need to write. That's all. So instead of 1 2 3, if you want to print star, instead of J you print a star, right? That's
Star.
all. You put double quotes low, you put a star there. That's
Star.
all.
Yes.
Yes.
So that will print a star. That's all, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So Amira, 2 examples. Any more questions are there?
One more is
What is that? Yeah, I forgot. Chapan, what is another question?
There were one string and we have to check the maximum or minimum characters.
Okay, okay, yeah. Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, this is okay, all of you?
okay, sir.
This is to display
Yes, sir.
multiplication.
Yes, sir.
This is to display a triangle of numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is one loop. Say I want to display maximum, how many? Maximum, okay, let me print J so you can understand. How many you want to display maximum? 5 numbers, right?
5 numbers.
So that's why there is a loop starting from I equal to 1 to 5, right?
5.
So when I value is 1, you have to print 1. So when I value is 2, next time when I value is 2, again from 1 to 2 you have to print. When I value is 3, again 1 to 3 you have to print. That's why this inner loop, what we are doing, j equal to 1 to j less than or equal to I. So when I is 1, first time when I is 1, this loop will run for how many times? Yeah, come on, ma. When I is 1,
One
this
time,
loop
sir,
will
one
run
time.
one time, right? Sir. Yeah, this is okay, ma. So when I value is 1, this loop, yeah, please, ma, all of you. When I value is 1, this loop will run for how many times? 1 to I times, right? Yeah, 1 to I, right? That means 1 to 1.
Yes.
Yeah, next time when I is 2, then again this loop will run for how many times?
2 times.
2 times.
Yeah, 1 to 2. Yeah, when I is 3, this again will run for 3 times,
3
right?
times.
Like that. So 1, then 2 times, 1, 2, 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. When I is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely I will become 6. Now 6 is not less than 5. So the outer loop already stopped, right? Like that. Yeah, this is the logic we have written. Yeah, the next one, ma. Yeah, what is the question? Strings of max and minimum characters, right? Yeah, how many characters are repeated for maximum times and how many characters are repeated for minimum times, huh? Yeah, string str equal to, some string. Yeah, t u I u I. Yeah, okay, some string if you take like this. But now in this, which is repeated for max number of times?
You.
Yeah, yes, ma, all of you.
You.
Maybe class lo okaritre maatladutuntaru ma. I want everybody to be interactive. Yeah, Chappan, which character is repeated for maximum number of times?
You.
You.
Which is repeated for less number of times?
T.
Okay.
T.
Okay, T. Okay, so what I will do initially is, okay, int max equal to, okay, నేను ఇలా తీసుకుంటాను. Actually ఇది wrong ఇది. Actually it is wrong ఇది, but I will take initially max number of characters is 0. Minimum equal to 0 నే అనుకున్నాను. Actually ఇది wrong అది, but for your understanding purpose I am taking like this. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
max ఎన్నిసార్లు రిపీట్ అయింది? 0. మినిమం is 0 అనుకున్నాను.
0 0. Yes, sir.
And which character కూడా char max character comma minimum character. Yeah, what is the max character? What is, see, minimum how many times, maximum how many times? Adi store చేయడానికి I have taken. Now మీ లాజిక్ మీరు రాయండి. You have written one logic, right? Each character repeated for how many times అనేది ఒకటి ఉంది కదా లాజిక్. ఏమ్మా, this same program repeated for how many times? Hello. ఇదే ప్రోగ్రామ్. What is this program? Yeah, again we came to the same program. What I was explaining again today. What is this program?
To check
How
the
many times the
repeat-
character is repeated?
So ఇదే లాజిక్ రాయండి అక్కడ కూడా. So can I take the same code here? The same code I can copy from here. ఇదే కోడ్ కాపీ చేస్తాను. సేమ్ లాజిక్. Same code I will put it here. Initially what I have taken? Yeah, and I also have to take one empty character, right? S2 equal to initially empty. Empty. Yeah, ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందో, what is that we are doing? We are telling in this. Yeah, how many times? Yeah, count will tell how many times, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But what I am doing is, yeah, count increment I will do. The same thing I will do. But here, after this loop is over, instead of printing, okay, what I will do is, if count is greater than max అనుకోండి.
Max.
ఇప్పుడు కౌంట్, ఇప్పుడు టీ ఎన్నిసార్లు రిపీట్ అయిందమ్మా?
One time.
మీకు ఈ లాజిక్, దిస్ ఫర్ లూప్ అండ్ దిస్ లాజిక్ విల్ టెల్ us టీ is repeated for how many times, right?
One.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
కౌంట్ ఎంత ఉందమ్మా? 1 కదా. 1 greater than max ఏ కదా. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మ్యాక్స్ ఏది?
0
0.
మ్యాక్స్ 0నా? కౌంట్ మా ఇప్పుడు 1 is
Count.
కదమ్మా.
Yes, sir.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మ్యాక్స్ ఎంత? మ్యాక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు
1
Count.
కౌంట్.
Count.
మాక్సిమం క్యారెక్టర్ ఏది? మ్యాక్స్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఈక్వల్ టు
T.
str డాట్ క్యారెక్టర్ అయ్యే కదా.
5.
అదే కదా మాక్సిమం క్యారెక్టర్. ఓకే, పోనీ if count is less than minimum, count is less than minimum అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏమంటాం? min equal to count, minimum character is ఇదే కదా.
Yes, sir.
ఏమా min equal to
Count.
min character equal to
str dot character.
instead of printing I wrote one if conditions ma, that's all, right? After the loop is over, after this main for loop everything is over, after the main for loop అన్ని అయిపోయిన తర్వాత you display. Yeah, what is that?
Minimum.
Max character is, what is a max character? Plus max c, right? Plus is repeated for ఎన్నిసార్లు రిపీట్ అయిందమ్మా? max times, right? Initial ga empty character I am taking. Here also initially empty character I am taking. అంతే కదమ్మా? Max character is initially empty, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is the minimum character? Same system dot
Same.
out.
Min character.
Minimum character is
Minimum.
minimum C is repeated for
Minimum.
minimum. Iదే logic actually. But it's wrong actually. I will change this. But let me do this program. But iదే logic kada. What is this logic? We are counting how many times T
It
is
times
repeated,
repeated.
how many times U is repeated, how many times
Repeated.
I is repeated. Adhe logic kada.
Yes.
Ikkada if count is okay, first time you tell me. First time ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి. First time T. Is there in S2?
No.
No.
Ala same program I am asking ma, please. Yeah, is there in S2?
No.
No.
No. అంటే ఇప్పుడు S2 లో ఏముంటుంది? Yeah, MT plus T.
MT plus.
ఇది యాడ్ చేస్తున్నానా?
Uh,
Count is equal to 1. ఇప్పుడు కౌంట్ ఎన్నిసార్లు అయింది ఇక్కడ T ఎక్కడ ఉందా? Is T anywhere there?
No.
no.
No. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఫైనల్ గా కౌంట్ is how much?
1.
1.
1 greater than max ఏ కదా?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
1 greater than max only, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the max is?
Count 1.
Max is 1.
1.
What is the character?
T.
Okay, is 1 less than minimum? Is 1 less than 0?
No.
No,
No.
sir.
That means this is not executed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
next time you take. What is that U? U is there in S2?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Well, U I am joining here.
Yes.
U it will count, right? How many times U is there? How many times, ma?
3.
3 times.
3
3
times.
times.
3 times. Yeah, is 3 greater than already max length, ma?
1.
1.
1.
1. So 3 greater than max, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So what
sir.
is max become now?
3.
3.
3.
What is the maximum character?
U.
U. Is 3 less than minimum?
No.
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 Oh,
No, and it is never satisfied. Okay. Next time, what is that? I. I is there for how many times, ma?
2
2
times.
times.
Is I is there in S2? No.
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 Join. I is there for how many times? 2.
2.
Is 2 greater than max? Max already ఎంత ఉంది, ma?
3.
3.
Is 2 greater than 3?
No.
No,
No.
sir. 1.
Is 2 less than 0?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma?
No.
No, sir.
No.
Minimum ఎంత ఉంది, manga? Still 0, right?
0.
0.
Yes, sir.
0.
So 2 is not less than minimum. Okay.
Minimum.
Yes, sir.
Next time, what is that? Again, you already counted, right? It won't count it. I already checked.
Already.
It won't check again. O. O it will check. O is there for how many times?
2
2
times.
times.
Is 2 greater than 3?
No.
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 So the max is still 3. Max character is U only, right?
Mm.
Is 2 less than 0? No. And ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది మా ఫైనల్ గా ఆఫ్టర్ ఆల్ దిస్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఇస్ ఓవర్
Maximum 3.
we are able to find max, right?
Max.
Yes, sir.
But we never able to find what is the minimum, right?
Minimum. Yes, sir.
కాదమ్మా మ్యాక్స్ ఏదో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలిగాం బట్ మినిమం మినిమం దిస్ ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ ఎప్పుడైనా రన్ అయిందా? దిస్ ఇఫ్ కండిషన్
No.
No, sir.
No.
రైట్ సార్ నాట్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేసి ఉండాలి? వాట్ ఐ హావ్ టు చేంజ్ బికాస్ మినిమం హ్యావ్ టేకెన్
Minimum.
ఇనిషియల్ మినిమం ఎంత తీసుకున్నాను మా?
0.
1.
మినిమం ఇనిషియల్ గా ఎంత తీసుకున్నాను మా?
0.
0.
మరి ఏదైనా సరే లెస్ దాన్ 0 ఎప్పుడైనా అవుతుందా?
No.
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 సో దట్ నెవర్ సాటిస్ఫైస్, రైట్?
Yes.
Max okay. Max you take initially 0, it will ఒకవేళ 1 character T 1 time అనుకోండి, 1 greater than 0 కాబట్టి max is T అంటాను.
Mm.
నెక్స్ట్ టైం you repeated 3 times. 3 greater than 1 కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు నేను max 3 అంటాను.
Mm.
ఏమై సార్ నా?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
నెక్స్ట్ టైం you 2 times I 2 times ఉంది కాబట్టి 2 not greater than max కాబట్టి still max is U only.
Mm.
But what about minimum is a problem. అంటే ఇప్పుడు minimum initial value how much I will take? ఎంత తీసుకున్నాం మినిమం?
1.
1 తీసుకున్నామా?
No, sir.
1 తీసుకుంటే ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది?
తీసుకున్నాను.
1 కూడా కాదు. ఇప్పుడు ఆలోచించండి ఎంత తీసుకోవాలి మినిమం ఇనిషియల్?
3.
ఎట్లా చెప్పాలి 3 అని 4 అని
n సార్.
అది ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది 1 అని? ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ టీ 1 టైం ఉంది కాబట్టి ఓకే. మినిమం క్యారెక్టర్ 2 టైమ్స్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు కదా మినిమం క్యారెక్టర్ 2 టైమ్స్ ఉంది, రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని 3 టైమ్స్ 4 టైమ్స్ 5 టైమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు
సార్ ఎంటీ తీసుకోండి.
అది ఎంటీ కూడా
n ప్లస్ 1
కానీ
n
మీకు
ప్లస్
ప్రాబ్లం అర్థమైందా? ఫస్ట్ డూ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద ప్రాబ్లం?
Yes, sir.
హలో,
ఎస్ సార్.
Yes, sir.
యా అంటే ఇప్పుడు మినిమం ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? దట్స్ వై వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ ఇస్ మినిమం టేక్ ద హైయెస్ట్ తీసుకుంటాను.
String length.
అది సో నౌ యూ గాట్ ఇట్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? ఐ విల్ టేక్ స్ట్రింగ్
String length.
లెంత్ తీసేసుకుంటా.
Yes, sir.
యా సో ఐ విల్ టేక్ స్ట్రింగ్ లెంత్. అప్పుడు ఎంత ఉండాలి మినిమం? 1
Length of
2 3 4 5 6 7 8 కదా.
8. Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ టైం చూడండి, మ్యాక్స్ వరకు ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ టైం చూడండి, టీ ఎన్నిసార్లు ఉందమ్మా? 1. ఫస్ట్ టైం చూడండి మా టీ ఎన్నిసార్లు ఉందమ్మా? 1 కదా.
yes, sir.
1 less than 8 కదా.
Yes, sir.
మినిమం ఎంత అది?
1.
1. ఏ క్యారెక్టర్ అది?
T.
T.
ఇంకా 1 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటే అది మినిమం అవుతుంది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నాట్?
Yes.
ఏమ్మా? హలో,
Yes, sir.
యా ఏదైనా ఇంకో వేరే తీసుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు టీ 2 టైమ్స్ తీసుకున్నాము, టీ 2 టైమ్స్ తీసుకున్నాము. యూ కూడా 4 టైమ్స్ తీసుకున్నాము.
I 2
ఇక్కడ
times.
ఎక్స్ట్రా టైం ఒకసారి తీసుకున్నాము. ఓ కూడా ఇంకోసారి తీసుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, టీ ఎన్నిసార్లు ఉందమ్మా?
2 times.
2 times.
సో 2 టైమ్స్ కంటే ఇంకా ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ టైం టీ 2 కదా. 2 is less than లెంతే కదమ్మా. 2 less than 8 కదా.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
మినిమం ఎంత? 2 టైమ్స్
2 times.
టీ. ఇంకా టీ దానికంటే ఇంకా తక్కువ ఉంటే అప్పుడు అది మినిమం అవుతుంది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నాట్? యు అండర్స్టూడ్ రైట్?
Yes,
String
sir.
length కనుక్కున్నాను, sir.
అందుకే మ్యాథ్స్ ఏం చేసాం ఇనిషియలీ?
0.
సో మ్యాథ్స్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇనిషియలీ వీ హావ్ టేకెన్ లెస్ నెంబర్, ఆపోజిట్ వీ హావ్ టేకెన్, రైట్?
Yes.
So now you run the program. So what it will do? Yeah. So now it is saying what is the max character is u repeated for how many times?
4 times.
4 times. Minimum character is t repeated for 2 times.
2 times.
ఇప్పుడు దీంట్లో మిడిల్ ఏదైనా జెడ్ అని ఒకటి తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంటుంది?
Z is minimum.
జెడ్ ఈజ్ మినిమం. ఇప్పుడు రాలే, జెడ్ ఈజ్ రిపీటెడ్ ఫర్ 1 time, u is repeated for 4 times.
Yes.
ఓకే.
Yes.
ఇప్పుడు ఐ ఇంకో చోట తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంటుంది?
I is maximum.
I is maximum. Which is I is repeated for 5 times. Z is repeated for 1 time. So same logic. What we have done, the same what I explained today also, right? Each character repeated for how many times, right? Count చేయండి. So if that count is greater than maximum, అయితే max is this one. Whether అది less than minimum అయితే అది minimum character అవుతుంది. That's all, right?
Sir, minimum 2 characters are 2 times ఉంటుంది. సపోజ్ K అని ఒక లెటర్ ఉంది సార్. K
అప్పుడు అది వేరు, అప్పుడు ఆ లాజిక్ వేరు. సో వీ హావ్ టు సే ఇప్పుడు జెడ్ ఆల్సో 2 times ఉంది అనుకోండి, టీ ఆల్సో 2 times, జెడ్ ఆల్సో
2 times.
2 times.
ఇప్పుడు ఏది వస్తుంది? ఫస్ట్ టీ ఉంది కదా, టీ వస్తుంది. లేదు సార్, మినిమం ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి అన్ని కావాలి, టీ కావాలి, జెడ్ కూడా కావాలి, మాక్సిమం కూడా ఐ యు అట్లా ఎన్ని ఉంటే అన్ని కావాలంటే దానికి వేరే లాజిక్ వీ హావ్ టు రైట్.
Okay.
సార్ నా వీ నీడ్ టు రైట్ ఇదే లాజికే, బట్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ టెల్లింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ వీ హావ్ టు పుట్ దెమ్ ఇంటూ వన్ మోర్ అరే. ఎందుకంటే నాట్ వన్ సింగిల్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఈజ్ మినిమం, రైట్? ఏమో మినిమం ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయమ్మా?
2 T ఉంది, Z ఉంది సార్.
మరి 2 characters స్టోర్ చేయాలంటే వేర్ ఐ విల్ స్టోర్? కెన్ ఐ హ్యావ్ 1 variable టు స్టోర్ మల్టిపుల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్?
Yes.
No, right? అప్పుడు we have to go to what you call arrays or collections. So when we learn, అప్పుడు we can come back to this program again if you want.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this program, same program, you are counting how many times, and then you are telling max is 1, minimum is what. Then that's all.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
We have 3 examples, the pattern and this one, and what is the other one?
Multiplication.
Multiplication table and pattern. Yeah, the
Yes.
triangle, right? Triangle,
Mm.
a multiplication table, and this one, right? Character
Minimum,
max.
max and minimum. Yes, that's it.
Okay, ma. Yeah. Okay, next, what are all concepts we learned in Java till now?
Do while.
Yeah, so we learned what you call data types.
Yes.
Mm.
Yeah, what are the data types we learned? Int,
Integer,
var,
character,
Boolean,
Boolean,
double,
double, float.
float.
Yeah, like that we have data types. Then string another wrapper class. Okay, string, will work like a variable as well as like an 2 ways we can use it.
Non-primitive.
But string str and str works like an
string data type,
String data.
correct. Str works like
variable,
variable as well as
Whether
as well as object also, right?
object.
Just saying, my str dot, you are getting methods, kada?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, some, you were asking me and I was explaining str. This is a wrapper class, right? String.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my str equal to, you can assign some value, would assign kada? Yeah, my str equal to, you can assign some value, right?
Yes, sir.
But if the str is working like a variable,
Variables.
plus the str dot length, and if any methods వస్తున్నాయి కదా మా అంటే str is working like an object కూడా కదా.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, ఇవే data types what we learned. Next one, what did we learn?
Variables.
Variables. So variables are used to
Store
store a value in
Store
the
a value.
memory, right?
Memory. Mm.
How to declare a variable? So data type
type.
space
variable.
Variable.
right?
Yes.
Like this you declare. Next we learned if conditions,
Which
case, right? And then loops.
loops.
Yeah, while loop, do while, for loop, like that.
For loop.
You know what we learned in Java till now.
Mm.
Okay, now in this again we want to talk about variables only. Yeah, Mali, again we want to talk about
So for each
again we want to talk about variables. So variables are used to store a value in the memory.
yes.
All of you, variables are used to store a value in the memory, right? Even if I declare a variable in text, how many values I can store in this?
Only one values, single value.
How many values we can store in x? Come on, all of you. X equal to
One values.
one value, ne kada?
Yes.
Yeah, but to store 2 values. Come on, but to store 2 values, what should I do?
Arrays.
Normal I Japan. To store 2 values, what I need?
ఇంకో వేరియబుల్ క్రియేట్
Yeah, one value store అంటే one variable. 2 values అంటే
2 variables.
అంతే కదా. 2 values means we need 2 variables, right?
2 variables. X, Y.
So if I want 10 values,
10 variables.
yeah, same we need 10 variables, right? To store one value, we need one variable. To store 2 values, we need
2 variables.
2 variables. To store 10 values, we need
10 variables.
10 variables. And if you want to store 100 values,
100 variables.
same. Okay, so to store 2 values, we need 2 variables. To store 100 values, so we need what you call 100 variables, right? Yeah, we need 100 variables. Yes or no? Yeah. But what happens if you declare 100 variables? Then this becomes confusion, right? This is
Yes.
confusion. Yes or no? Oh, 100 variables unte a lot of confusion hai kadamma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's why. Oh, now we need What is that now? We need one variable
multiple.
for
So
multiple values.
values.
Yeah, we need one variable. I'm not talking about any new concept. Yes, ma, this is not a new concept. We are talking about which concept?
Variables.
variable.
Variables. But we need one variable to store multiple values. So there we have a what you call array.
Arrays.
What is array? Array is also a variable. What you call? Array is also a variable to store
Multiple values.
multiple values. Okay. If you declare int x, now what is the meaning? X is variable to store one value. Array, if I declare int x square bracket, if I write equal to new int of 5, if I declare like this. Now what is the meaning? X
X
is
is a variable to store
array
five
variable to store 5 values.
high values.
Remember, X is array variable to store how many values?
High value.
X is array variable to store 5 values because I told the size is 5, right? Yeah, if you want 10 values, you tell size is 10, right? What is there wrong? Then what happens? You tell the size, how many you want to store. Yeah, and how the values are referred? Values are referred based on index. And where is the index value starts from?
0.
Zero.
Index starts from 0.
Zero.
Yeah, like x of 0 equal to, you can assign some value, right? X of 1 equal to, x of 2 equal to, x of 3 equal to, x of 4 equal to. Yeah, like this. So totally 5 values, right?
Yes, sir.
Because we started from 0. So totally 5 means less than the size, right? 0 to 4, totally 5, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So like this, first what you can do? You can declare array. Yeah, here what did we do, ma? We declare array, right?
Size of the
What
array.
did we do here?
Assign values.
Assign values in the array, right?
Arrays.
Here we declare array, and here we are assigning values in the array, right? Like this we can do. Or what else we can do? We can directly say like this. Int x of equal to, directly we can say 56, 98, 23, 45, 57, well, like this we can. Okay, what are we trying to do? Declare and initialize in same line. Remember, we are declaring and initializing everything in the single line, right? People no need to tell the size. People, what is the size of array? It depends on how many values we assign. If any values are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And it will automatically array size is
7.
yeah, mean any assign just say how many values you are assigning. Array size is also same now. Yes, ma. How many values we are assigning?
7.
7 values. So array size is also 7.
7.
Yeah, okay, all of you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here we are assigning the values in the array. And first we declare an array and then we assign, right? Whereas here first what we do, we declare and assign at the same statement, right? Yeah, okay now?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Either let us do an example. Yeah. So tell me how to read all the values in the array. Now I need to write a loop statement, right? For index I equal to 0, right? I less than how much now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I less than 7. Yeah, 0 to less than 7 means
6.
6 kada. Less than or equal to 7 means up to 7.
7.
Less than 7 and up to 6 kada.
6.
I plus plus.
Plus plus.
So we display what you call x of I. Yeah. So we are able to read all the values in the array.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this, we are reading all the values in the array, no? Okay.
Okay.
So if you know the less than or equal to 7 mistaken way, what will happen? It will write totally how many it is trying to read. 0 to 7 means totally
8.
8.
8. So the last one will give error message, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are getting an error, right?
Mm.
What is that? Array index out of the boundaries, right? Exception.
Mm.
Array size is going out of the boundary size, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the problem. Okay.
Okay.
So like this, we write I equal to 0, I less than x, 7, I plus plus x of I, right? Yeah. Okay, if you know the size, that's okay. If you don't know the size, what you can do? For int I equal to 0, I less than, you can also write x dot length.
X dot length.
So x dot length also will give the size. So less than the size, right? So we write x of I. Okay, na? Yeah, we write x of I, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next one, what we will do? Yeah, now this will also print the same thing.
Same.
Oh, here is the problem with less than or
Less
equal.
than or equal.
Okay. Now run this. Say same output, right? You both are doing the same.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next thing, if you see the loops. There is one more loop called for each loop. This one. There is one more loop called for each. For each is like this. You see what is the syntax? For variable colon either array or collection, right? Okay, what did we said here? Variable will take each value from the array or collection. No?
Mm.
Yes, ma, what it is doing? Variable will
Take
Chandra,
each
variable will take each value,
each value
from
from
the
the
array.
array or collection.
But this syntax if I write for variable. Yeah. So for variable, what is array here?
X of I.
X of I in X array. X is the array kadama.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, variable. If I take variable I, what it will do actually, I will take each value in the X, right?
X.
I will take each value in X. And what is I value first time?
0.
0.
Koncham vinandi ma. What did I wrote here? Index annana, value annana?
Values.
Value 56.
Yeah, so I will take first time each value. What is the value? 56.
56.
Next time I will take 98. I will take 23. So now what is the data type of I must be?
Integer.
Integer.
Right? Yeah. So now if I display what is I value, so I also will print the same thing, right? Yeah. So same it is printed again.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See the first loop also printing same, second loop, third loop also printing the same. Understood, ma?
Yes, sir.
But initialization different.
Yeah, so this is the loop statement, right? This is a for each loop statement. So for each loop, we can use only for array or collection concept. Normal, we cannot write a for each layer, but in the previous examples, each string repeated for how many times? For each, we cannot do that. For each works only for an array or collection.
Collection. Okay.
But this loop will automatically take every value in the array, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, string array Japan, like how I declare an integer array, like that string array. Yeah, tell me how to declare a string array. Data type is string, right?
String.
Yes, sir.
A string ARR of, okay, let me take array equal to, yeah, give me some string values, right?
Yes.
ID. There's some cities I'm storing now. Yeah, some string values we are storing, right? Yeah, take a string ARR equal to Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, that's all, right? We are storing some string values, right? Yeah, how do you read all the values? Japan for each loop statement?
For
String of
string.
for string? Either variable.
Array.
AR.
Array.
ARR, right?
ARR.
Y will take each value in the ARR, right? Display the Y value.
Yes, sir.
Why?
The example I is taking every value in the X. Here Y will take every value in the ARR, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So observe these programs. Hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is all how you can declare an array. So let us try some examples based on arrays. Array, suppose if you want to sort the values in an array. How do you sort the values in an array? Into ARR equal to, take some numbers, right? 5, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. How do you sort the values in the array? Yeah, so can we write a logic to read one value in array with and then compare with the next value? We compare one value with the next value, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if the first value is bigger than the next value, we can interchange them, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
how do you write a loop statement for int I equal to 0, I less than
Array dot length.
Okay, I plus.
I plus.
Yeah, that's one mistake, my friend. Marchal, we have to change it. Yeah, this logic. With this, I have to change it. We will see what will happen. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, how do you compare one number with the next number?
And their
If
for loop. Oh,
ARR of I, if it is greater than ARR of
I plus 1.
I plus, ante kadama, if array of I is greater than, if 5 is greater than the next number, then we have to interchange them, right? Yeah, how do you interchange, ma? 7 here, 5 here, how do you interchange them? Bro, you have a coffee in one cup and a tea in another cup. How do you interchange them?
ARR of I equals to ARR of I plus.
Oh my, I gave one simple, I am asking one simple example. You have a coffee in one cup and milk in another cup. If you want to interchange the cups, what will you do?
Pour in another cup.
No,
Position changes.
Take another cup.
Another
Yeah,
cup.
take another empty cup.
Yeah.
And you interchange them, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so same way what I have to do now. If I want to interchange them, what I should do? I should have taken one more temporary variable t if I take like this. Now if t equal to ARR of I, Emma, coffee I'm taking into an empty cup.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then you know t you keep with this, right? ARR of I equal to ARR of I plus. Then ARR of I plus 1 equal to
T.
T.
T, right? That's how you are interchanging. Simple common sense question.
sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Array of I value, how much it is?
5.
5. 5 will
Five.
go to T, right?
T.
Then array of Y,
Yes,
what
sir.
will happen? This will become 7, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5 is already stored in A, T. Now this will become 5, right? So this became 7, this will become 5 like that. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. But this logic, if I do like this, what will happen? The first time, what is happening? Starting from 0 to length of array.
Length.
Okay, first time, is array of I greater than array of I plus 1? Is 5 greater than 7?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Mathematics simple. Is 5 greater than 7?
No, sir.
Yeah, yes, ma. No, right?
No.
Yeah. So will it interchange it? No. Next
No,
time, what
sir.
is it taking 7 and 8, right? Is 7 greater than 8?
No,
No,
sir.
Will it interchange? No.
No,
Then
sir.
again, is 8 greater than 12?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
Is 12 greater than 34?
No.
No. Is 34 greater than 11?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
And interchange, right?
Mm.
This will become 11. This will become
34.
34. Next is 34 greater than 10.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And this will become 10. This will become
34.
34.
is 34 greater than 3.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
3 will become here. 34 will become
30.
here. Next, as I told, I till I means till 34, right? Now where is I plus 1, ma? If I is coming till last digit, right?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will come till last digit, but I plus 1 will go out of the array size, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is one problem.
Limb.
Next. Now, if I do like this, is all the values are in sorting order?
No, sir.
No.
No, values are not in sorting order. Okay, we will see this. But this problem we will see. Let us we try to print all the values in the array after sorting, right? So let us we write for int what you call I colon ARR. Let us we display system.out.println I. But let us see what this program will throw an error message. It is giving an error message out of the boundaries, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because I said till length of array means till if I take up to 34, then I plus 1 will go out of the boundary, right?
Yes, sir.
So what should I do now?
Length minus.
Less than I have to give. I have to give less than as well as minus 1 also, right? MS or not? I have less than equally.
-1.
I have to give less than as well as minus 1 also, right?
Minus. Yes, sir.
Emma, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Totally, where are we going to stop? We are going to stop at 3 only, right?
3.
But still the problem is, now you don't get that error, but still the problem is values are not in sorting order. See, 5, 7, 8, 12, 11, 10, 3, 34, right? You got this after sorting we got, right? But are they in ascending order now?
No.
No. So what we have to do now? Okay. So what we should do is, once the sorting is done, first time, let me take the same original numbers. Once the sorting is done, okay, see, 5 is greater than 7?
No, sir.
No. Is 7 greater than 8?
No.
No. Is 8 greater than 12?
No.
No.
Is 12 greater than 34?
No.
No, sir.
No. Is 34 greater than 11?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And the interchange is done. This will become 11. This will become
34.
34.
34. So once interchange is done, again come from beginning. Hello, beginning chirandi. So again you want to start from beginning means, again, is 5 greater than 7?
No.
No. Is 7 greater than 8? No. Is 8 greater than 12? No. Is 12 greater than 11? Yes.
Yes.
I put it 11 and change it to,
2.
again come from beginning. Is 5 greater than 7? No. 7 greater than 8? No. Is 8 greater than 11? No. Is 11 greater than 12? No. 12 greater than 34? No. 34 greater than 10? Yes.
Yes.
To change it. You put 10, you put 34. Come from beginning again. Is 5 greater than 7? No. 7 greater than 8? No. Is 8 greater than 11? No. 11 greater than 12? No. 12 greater than 30? No.
Yes.
Yes.
12.
Yes.
Yes.
Interchange it. Again, come from beginning. Is 5 greater than 7? No. 7 greater than 8? No.
No.
8, 11? No. 11, 10? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So change it. 10.
11.
11.
Now again from beginning. 5 greater than 7? No.
No.
7 greater than 8? No. 10 greater than,
No.
sorry, 8, 10? No. 10, 11? No. 11, 12? No. 12, 13? Yes.
No.
Interchange it. 34?
Sir.
No, sir.
Sir, no, sir.
Yeah, is 34 greater than
Yes, sir.
3? Yes.
Yes.
3. 34.
34.
3, 34. Again come from beginning. 5, 7, no. 7, 8, no. 8, 10, no. 10, 11, no. 11, 12, no. 12, 3.
Yes.
Yes.
3 here.
12.
12 here. Again from beginning. 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 10, 10, 11, 11, 3.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
3 here. 11
Yeah.
here. Again from beginning. 5, 7, 7, 8. Okay, 10, 3. And 3 will come here. 10 will go here, right? Again from beginning. 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 3. Yeah, 3 will come here. 8 will come here, right? Yeah, again 5, 7, 7, 3. Yeah, 3 will come here. 7 will come here, right? 5, 3. Yeah, 3 will come again from beginning. Here, 5 here. Now is 3 greater than 5? No. 5, 7? No. 7, 8? No. 8, 10? No. 10, 11? No. 11, 12? No. 12, 13? No. Stop the loop. That's all, right? Only when interchange is done, again I have to start from 0, right?
Yes, sir.
What did I do? After every interchange, again I'm making I beginning, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, if you want to make I again to beginning, what should I do? I equal to
0.
second ma. Yeah, I equal to. Yeah, if this condition matches, if this condition matches, interchange is done.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
After interchange, what did I do? I'm making again I equal to
0.
0. But again, still some problem is there. If we make I 0, after this if condition is over, it will become I plus plus, right?
Yes, sir.
But I will become
1.
1, not 0. Yeah, what should I do here now? I equal to minus 1. you do.
-1.
When you do -1, after this if condition is over, it will become I plus plus, right? And I will become 0.
0.
Like that. So whenever interchange is done, I made -1 because there is a plus plus, it will become 0, right? So every time again it will start from 0. Yeah, see this logic. Now you see all numbers are in ascending order. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So like this you can write our own logic, right? Yeah, like this we can write our own logic to sort the numbers. Or see, in Java there are so many existing classes, right? The string is an existing class in Java.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Math is an existing class, right?
Yes, sir.
Like that, there are so many existing classes in Java. Right? Yeah, there is also an existing class called arrays. Arrays.sort.
Sort.
Arrays.sort ARR. Yeah, this will sort all the values in the array automatically. Arrays is an existing class and sort is a class, and this is a
Sorting.
no, ma, this is a
Method.
class. This is a method.
Method.
Yeah, there's a class and this is a method, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this will sort all the values in the array automatically. Now, if you want to display all the values in the array in single line, no, I don't want to write a loop. I want to display the array values. If I write ARR, it won't display. If you want to display all the values in the array, if you write system.out.println ARR, see it is displaying some chunk data, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how to display all the array values in single line? So you have to write arrays dot toString of ARR. What it will do? Arrays dot toString of ARR. So this will convert into a రాస్తుంది కదా మాకు క్లియర్ గా
String.
toString, right? I'm converting this array to
String.
string and then displaying it. So when you run this, what is the output now? You got all values displayed in array like this. Iవేనా values in the array? Sorting order లోనే ఉన్నాయి కదా 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 34. So instead of writing all this logic, one single method is there, right? Arrays dot sort, and then you are displaying all the values in the array, right? Like that, you can take one string array also. But string ARR of okay, string city equal to either some cities you take. Where is sort the values in the array? What do you write, ma'am?
Arrays dot sort array.
Why there is a mistake? ఏదైనా double quotes miss అయిందా anything? Oh, here it is an array, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you write? Arrays dot
Sort array.
Sort
city, right?
city.
To display all the values in the array, what did you write? Same, what do you write?
String.
Arrays dot
toString.
toString of
city, right?
City.
Now see, all values are in sorting order. Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai. All are alphabetically sorted kadamma. B, C, D, H, M.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So like this, you can sort the values in an array. Yeah. Okay, ma.
సార్ ప్రీవియస్ అది ఇంటీజర్ కదా సార్, ఇంటీజర్ డేటా టైప్ కదా, స్ట్రింగ్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తారు?
అమ్మా నేను ఒక అరే వాల్యూస్ ఒక సింగిల్ లైన్ లో ప్రింట్ చేయాలి అంటే ఇలా కన్వర్ట్ చేసి ప్రింట్ చేయాలమ్మా, లేదంటే మీరు లూప్ రాసుకోండి.
ఓకే,
లేదంటే మీరు లూప్ రాయండి.
అంటే అక్కడ ఇంటీజర్ కదా సార్ డేటా టైప్, అక్కడ
అవునమ్మా, ప్రింట్ చేసేటప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్ కోసం అలా నేను చేయాలి అంటున్నాను.
ఓకే,
లేదంటే మీరు లూప్ రాయండి. ఫర్ i కోలన్ ARR ఇట్లా రాయండి. ఇట్ విల్ ప్రింట్ ఆల్ ద వాల్యూస్. ఎట్లయినా ఒకటే.
ఓకే.
సో కాకపోతే ఇంత లూప్ రాసే బదులు అట్ ఏ టైం ఒకేసారి అరేలో వాల్యూస్ అన్ని ప్రింట్ చేయాలి అంటే సో అప్పుడు ఇలాంటి స్టేట్మెంట్ రాయాలి. అరేస్ డాట్ టు స్ట్రింగ్ ఆఫ్ ARR రాస్తే ఒకేసారి ప్రింటింగ్ కోసం ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ లైక్ దిస్, అవుట్పుట్ ప్రింట్ చేయడానికి.
ఓకే,
లేదు నేను డైరెక్ట్ గా ARR ఇస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ARR you saw some junk data is displaying, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. సో మీరు డిస్ప్లే చేయడానికి అలా రాసుకుంటామా అంటున్నాం. Arrays that string of ARR.
అరేస్ టు ఇంటీజర్.
టు ఇంటిజర్ అనే మెథడ్ లేదమ్మా. there is no method like to integer.
Yes.
Okay, there is a method only called arrays dot
టు స్ట్రింగ్.
to string. When you are displaying the values in the array, we write like this, arrays dot. లేదు కదా మెథడ్, ఏముంది అక్కడ? ఓన్లీ బైనరీ సెర్చ్, ఏమేమి మెథడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి? కంపేర్, అరేస్ డాట్, ఏముంది అక్కడ? ఓన్లీ టు స్ట్రింగ్, అంతే, ఒకటే ఉంది, టు స్ట్రింగ్. బట్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ వాట్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ ఏదైనా ఇవ్వండి. టు స్ట్రింగ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఏం తీసుకుంటుంది మా? ఇంటిజర్ అరే కానీ, లాంగ్ అరే కానీ, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అరే కానీ, ఫ్లోట్ అరే కానీ, డబుల్ అరే కానీ, క్యార్ అరే కానీ, ఏ అరేనే ఇవ్వచ్చు కదా దానికి ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఇన్పుట్. టూ స్ట్రింగ్ లో ఏమి ఇవ్వచ్చు? ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఏమైనా ఇవ్వచ్చు కదా. ఎనీ అరే యూ కెన్ గివ్, రైట్? యా. సో ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ ఒకేసారి ఒక సింగిల్ లైన్ లో డిస్ప్లే చేయడానికి వి యూజ్ దిస్ మెథడ్ అంటున్నాను.
ఓకే,
ఓకేనా? రైట్. So like this, maybe you can try some examples, ma. Yeah, till now here. So you practice, what we discussed till here. Data types, loop statements, right? While loop, do while, for loop, arrays. Okay, till here you can practice, ma. Okay, for this weekend, right?
yes.
Yeah. So let me give you some questions for you to practice. Yeah. So maybe I'll stop here because till here what we learned was all okay category of topics. Yeah. So till now what we learned here, till this concept, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, till here data types, variables,
Oops.
if condition,
స్విచ్ కండిషన్,
which case, loops,
Alright.
arrays. Till here it is all one category of topics.
సార్ అరేస్ లో టైప్స్ ఉన్నాయి సార్,
Right, 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional, multi-dimensional arrays are there, but we don't require them. So if you practice single dimensional array, it is enough. But I'm asking only single dimensional array, right?
Single day.
So single dimensional array is enough for us.
స్టార్ ప్రింట్ చేసాం కదా సార్, అది మల్టీ డైమెన్షనల్ అరే కాదు.
నేను అరేలో ఎక్కడ స్టోర్ చేయలేదు, జస్ట్ ప్రింటింగ్ ప్యాటర్న్ ప్రింట్ చేశాను. డిడ్ ఐ స్టోర్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇన్ అన్ అరే? ఎక్కడ స్టోర్ చేసామా? స్టార్లు కానీ 1 కానీ 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 డిడ్ ఐ స్టోర్ ఎనీవే?
నో.
స్టోర్ చేసాం ఎక్కడన్నా లేదు కదా.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so till here, what is all these topics, right? This is all programming logic concepts. Okay. In the next, we need to start the next category of topics called OOPS concepts. Yeah, ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ మనం OOPS స్టార్ట్ చేయాలమ్మా. I have to start with what is class, object. Okay, ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ ఏదో మెథడ్స్ లైక్ దిస్, ప్యాకేజెస్, రైట్, యాక్సెస్ మోడిఫైయర్స్. Yeah, ఇలా like this. So we need to start these type of topics. ఇది నేను ఫ్రెష్గా I will start on Monday. Okay, let me start freshly on Monday OOPS concepts. So till here, this is all one category of topics. So please practice even more and more examples on this to understand the programming logic, right? To build the programming logic. Okay, so let us you try these examples, no? I think in this already we did this example, right? Yeah, display the values on ascending order, right? This already we did this. But will you try these examples? Now there is a given array. Each value duplicated for how many times? But we did a string example, right? P duplicated for how many times? P duplicated for how many times? R duplicated for how many times?
Yes.
We did write one example in a string.
Yes, sir.
Similar way, can we do it with array? 4 duplicated for how many times? 8 duplicated for how many times? Like that. 9 for how many times? Like that. Okay. Understood the same logic here with array. That is a
Arrays.
array.
Okay, sir.
Display sum of all these numbers, and 4 plus 9 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 20, right? And display each number in the array is odd or even. But 4 on the 4 and even or odd. Display 4 is even, 9 is odd, 2 is even, 5 is odd, 20 is even, 21 is odd. Like that you display the number even or odd you display. Okay. Yeah, same thing. Can you display sum of all the odd numbers and sum of all the even numbers? You array sum of all the odd numbers and sum of all the even numbers, right? Yeah. And let me take one more example. String ARR of equal to. Let me take a string of values. There is another string with numbers. Yeah, there is another string with numbers. There is another string with numbers. Yeah, like this. But if this is a string, in each string only read digits, but each string low only digits you read it. In this string you read only digits. In this string you read only digits. You know, right? That logic already you know, right? Yeah, in a given string, how to read only digits? That program already we wrote, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That we wrote for only for one string, but this is array of strings, right? Yeah, take first string, read only digits. In a loop, right? You know how to take each value in a string, right? For each loop or for loop we are writing and reading each string, right? In that string you read only digits. In this string you read only digits like this. Yeah. Yeah. So read only digits in each of the above strings in the array, right? Yeah, only 4 programs you do that. Okay, and also you please do the just revise all the previous concepts, no? Okay. Yeah. Okay, now.
Okay.
Yeah. So who was asking me the question? If I change to I equal to 0, yeah, I am changing to I equal to 0, but after this condition is over, I again will become plus plus, right?
Yes, sir.
నేను I 0 చేస్తే ఇదేమవుతుంది?
I plus.
అంటే it will start from 7.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడో చోట ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేసిన తర్వాత అగైన్ I make 0. మళ్ళీ అది 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, నాట్ ఫ్రమ్ 0. అందుకని నేనేం చేశాను? I made it to ఇప్పుడు ఈ లూప్ ఇవన్నీ అయిన తర్వాత I ప్లస్ ప్లస్ జరుగుతుంది కదమ్మా. I విల్ బికమ్ ఇంక్రిమెంటల్ రైట్ వన్ టైం.
ఎస్ సార్.
అందుకని నేనేం చేశాను, I చేంజ్ టు -1. నేను -1 పెడితే ఆఫ్టర్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్. సో యాజ్ I said -1, now it will become plus plus. So it starts from 0 again.
ఎస్ సార్. 0 టు స్టార్ట్.
-1 ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఏమవుతుంది మా 0 కదా అవుతుంది.
ఎస్ సార్.
అందుకని నేను I do -1. మీ 0 చేస్తే మేబీ సమ్ టైమ్స్ యూ మే నాట్ గెట్ ద కరెక్ట్ సార్టింగ్ ఆర్డర్. ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఎప్పుడూ కన్సిడర్ చేయదు సార్టింగ్ కోసం. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ నా దగ్గర ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఓకే ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ 4 ఉంది అనుకున్నాం. 5 అయినా ఓకే అనుకుంటాను. If you make I equal to 0, after interchange is over, interchange అయిన తర్వాత after interchange is over, interchange జరిగిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ 7 నుంచి కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది కదమ్మా.
ఎస్ సార్.
బికాస్ I made 0, it will become plus plus. సో ఇప్పుడు మీకు కరెక్ట్ గా సార్టింగ్ ఆర్డర్ లో ఉండదు చూడండి. 4 3 ఇక్కడ 3 ఫస్ట్ రావాలి కదమ్మా.
ఎస్ సార్. 3 రావాలి.
బట్ why 3 is not coming? Because 4 is never compared after that. Because it is always taking from 1. అందుకని మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, we will put it -1, right?
ఎస్.
So then it will perfectly take from 0 again. ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay.